What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. For those who don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm a forex trader and I'm trading the break and retest strategy, either support and resistance trader. So I'm gonna make a quick review with my thoughts on all those pairs. Most of the time I do trade Euro USD, so I'm gonna start with it. So let's get it right into the video, guys. If you do like the content I provide, please hit the like, subscribe button and comment down below if you want me to add more pairs on my watch list. So let's dive straight into the video, guys. So for the Euro USD, I was shorting the market by Friday. Even today, yeah, I was expecting like a small pullback and to go to the downside, but how we seeing here, the price action open very bullish and we keep going up, and the way how we seeing here, guys, we did kind of creating a small structure, push, pullback, push, pullback, push, kind of pullback. So I was expecting to go down. It did not. It just make a small pullback and just straight line up, yeah. And how we seeing, guys, if we're dragging here this arrow, we do see that we did broke this structure, and this structure, which is three structure in the row, yeah. On the daily time frame, guys, if we do see, we're sitting literally at this support, so we kind of still bullish, we're still kind of bearish on the daily and bullish on the 4 hour. That means the entry, you should be more attached to that even. At the same time, due to the fact that we do have this kind of price action, yeah, we still need to keep in mind that right now we still are at the support on the daily, resistance at the daily. So what we can expect right now, I'm seeing here a beautiful support that is being broken. Now it's gonna act as a resistance, as a support, and here it was a resistance that right now most likely is gonna act as a support, yeah. What we can expect right now, guys, is very simple concept. The one thing from here, I'm gonna look for the bounce up. Either from here, I'm gonna look for the bounce up. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind due to the fact that on the daily time frame we do looking bullish, yeah. Bearish. We're kind of going to the downside if you're seeing here, yeah. We still have to keep in mind because here could be a double bottom, and this is kind of like a double top, some stuff like that. What we can do right now is just, if you want to take a trade, yeah, even if we're taking a trade, we have to expect that it's not gonna be a very strong signal, guys. That's my only opinion, but you can do whatever you want. I might gonna take a trade out of this area or this area as long it provides me like the rejection and bullish and bearish engulfing or something like that. The price action at the same time, it can just close above below this resistance, come here to retest and move down here. Also, it could be a scenario, but we have just to watch right now. For this pair right now, I'm just gonna keep an eye at those resistance, at those support levels, and from here I'm gonna look and take a decision. It depends like how the market was gonna print out and what is gonna show me. On GBP USD is very simple. It's kind of the same situation because they usually move the same as Euro USD. You see, it kind of made. But if you're checking on the daily, guys, you're seeing here perfect break and retest. So we right now kind of sitting at the retest, and it's all about how this candle is gonna close. If it's gonna reject, most likely it will reject, yeah. And from here I'm gonna look for the shorts, because at the same time, if you're seeing here, you clearly can see try to move up, then break below, retest this structure and move down. Right now what we can expect is just to retest this one and to move down also. That's kind of my opinion. But on the 4 hour, we did break this structure, and we kind of sitting at this retest on the daily. I won't take any trade on GBP USD because it sounds like, due to the fact that daily is retesting, I rather just wait for the bearish or bullish engulfing, and then from there I'm gonna try to take the price back down. On the GBP, JPY, they looks very bullish. If you see here, I don't see any crazy stuff. How I said, it was going kind of into the crazy range, how you seeing here. Yeah, I said like, now I won't take any trades here. Right now we're seeing that the price action kind of went up, so we can kind of right now expect to see, like on the daily time frame, we are kind of going up. This is the beautiful retest. So that's kind of was on the 4 hour. Yeah, it kind of was the consolidation. Yeah, but at the same time I was putting right here my levels. So that's what happened. It just kind of break, but that was like today, break, retest, beautiful rejection, and now kind of making like bullish engulfing. So it looks like it's gonna go up, but for now, if this price action will gonna close right here, this 4 hour, I'm gonna look to take buys from here. Just due to the fact that it looks very beautiful. And on the gold, the last one, let me just delete that. What do we see in here, guys? What do we see in here? Very simple trades, kind of push, pullback, push, pullback, push, pullback, push, pullback, push, kind of small pullback, then small push, and then break the structure. Okay, now let's drag this one. That's how I'm doing analysis, so it's gonna be much easier. What do we see here? Push, pullback, push, pullback, push, pullback, push, then break this structure and this structure. That means this structure and this structure is broken, and even the price action, closed below the lows. So that means we are good to look for the short term of sales, to me. But at the same time we have to wait for the retest. Where we're gonna retest right now, we do retest this one. I'm gonna make clear, this is gonna be our first retest, and then this one is gonna be our second retest, because that kind of looks to me a small rejection area. So for me right now, yeah, it doesn't seems like this price action will hold. We do see here some rejection, but at the same time, if we're gonna see here a beautiful bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, then I'm gonna look for take the price down, where it's very simple. We go here as support, and then we go here as support. That's very simple trades. That's what I'm gonna expect. If it's gonna break above, most likely the price action will come to retest this area. Yeah, but I'm not considering this area very crazy. I'm gonna look for toucher, come here to retest, and I'm gonna see here if it's gonna react and make some, how is it called, rejection, and then bullish engulfing. And from here I just gonna look to take a trade from here, take it somewhere back up here, but at the same time I'm gonna pay attention to this level. So yeah, guys, that's kind of my analysis for as a break and retest strategy. And if you do like, feel free to comment down below, subscribe if you do have any questions, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.